What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. So you wouldn't know the aggravation and grief that I go through and I'm going through with insurance companies. So I'm still battling with insurance companies about my stolen ski-doos. I can't tell you how many countless times I've called to try and use my garage keeper's insurance for shit to be tortured with, right? And I'm not asking for hundreds of thousands or 50,000s or anything like that. It's most of my claims have been under 30,000. So my point to this is, ready? So I have a body shop that was in for collision work, right? Why aren't they denying his claim? Bald tire, dry rotted, cracked, mismatched tires. You got 1, 2, 3 off-road, 1 regular radial. So if this guy totals his truck, right, because he can't stop in the rain or he can't stop on dry pavement because his tires are bald, they're going to pay his $50,000 or $60,000 Dodge Ram buyout, right? You're going to pay the bank or they're going to pay the customer if he actually owns it. But when a guy like me who legitimately had his skis stolen from his property unknowingly, they were here just for maintenance, and I'm still being tortured. This is like 8 months later, 6 months later. The shop ceiling fell apart on a customer's car. They covered that claim, but they wouldn't cover the ceiling and the roof problems. Like, it just goes on and on and on. But then, you know, somebody who completely, like, I'm not neglecting my property, I'm not neglecting my building, I'm not neglecting my personal or my vehicles. But then you have people driving around with unsafe vehicles out there, and the insurance company's like, oh yeah, his car's totaled, and they 20, 30, 40, 50, 80, 100 grand. You just pay the bank or pay the customer. And then when it comes to, you know, a guy like me who does the right thing, you get the hard way the whole time. Any explanations? Let me know, please. Thank you.